Hey guys, it's Poppy Rain here, and if you guys watched my updated makeup video, I'm going to be doing a video organizing all my stuff. So far in this one we have hair ties in this side and hair clips in there. Till I bring the rest of my stuff over, then we're gonna need something bigger. But for now, in this other side, I'm just gonna try and fit my bigger lip balms in there. Kind of like that, because I don't really have anywhere to put them. And that's not gonna close if I do that. So I need somewhere to put there. Okay, so this is what's in this one for now. So I'm gonna close that up. Then we're gonna do, so we have a bunch of random crap everywhere. So if you take this, in this side compartment, I think we're gonna do, I don't know what I want to do in this side compartment up here, that little one. Maybe I can fit my lip scrub and the rest of my lip gloss, or chapstick in there. Yeah. So this is lip scrubs and chapsticks in there. Then in this tray that I took out, we're going to put all my lip glosses. I don't know, they probably won't all fit in there. Yeah, because it won't close if I do that. Okay, guys, it's not going to work. In this big section down here, we're going to put, in this big section, we're going to put all my lip sticks back there. You might actually be able to put lipsticks and lip glosses. We're gonna see how this works. Yeah. So we put the lipsticks like that. And then across the other way, we're gonna do lip glosses. Okay, then in this big compartment, No, it has to go there. I don't know what we're going to put in that big compartment. I'm debating if I want to put my glitter in this tray or if I want to put my random makeup that doesn't go with anything in this tray. I haven't decided. I mean, I might, because I don't have a lot of random makeup. I'm going to put my lip liner in. I might be able to fit it all in there. I'm not really sure. Let's see, guys. No, I can't fit it all. I'm almost wondering, guys, since I have 2 of each color, if I should just put them in one bag. To save space. I mean, it should be fine. 'Cause I have more space up there. I could put something. But I don't know what. I don't think I'll put anything up there for now. Yeah, this isn't closed because of this one. I think maybe I'll put my glitter up there, guys. In that tray. Yeah, because that seems... Okay, so I put my glitter up in that tray. Then in the bottom here, on the very bottom are my 2 big palettes. On the one side, whoops, that fell out of my case. On the one, if my cat is being super nosy, on the one side I'm gonna put my smaller eyeshadows. Okay. Then below it, I'm gonna put my blush. Okay. Oops, that fell out. In the front here, I'm gonna put all my brushes. That little front section. In the back, I'm going to shove these guys. And then on top, I'm just going to put all this random stuff on top. And so, guys. So that's what that looks like. And then the lip gloss on top. And then I'll show you the inside of this real quick. And then what the inside of this looks like. Kind of sort of see. And that's my organized makeup case. I'm hoping to get a 3-tiered one next time. And yeah, guys, we'll catch you in another video. Bye, guys.